Code D, part 6 of 14, washer. Create a new file. Select model template, select the units inches, enter the name, washer, click OK. Now create a sketch. Select XY datum plane, click OK. Now draw a circle of diameter 0.444 inches. Now draw another circle from the origin. Enter the diameter 0.37 inches. Now finish the sketch. Select extrude. By default, our section curve is selected. Specify vector upwards. Enter the distance 0.05 inches. Click OK. Hide the sketch. Right click, orient view to trimetry. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes Code D, part 6 of 14, washer.